So I'm so excited to have on board this interesting assignment given to me by my lecturer. So we have to terminate a cable and transfer files between two devices. So I'm here to start with the cable termination. So the tools I'll use now is a cutter and a clipper. So I'll use the cutter to cut the wire, the network cable, and the clipper to insert the to insert the RJ45 to here. So this is what I'll actually use it for. I'll put it here. So let's kick start. Okay, so I'll put here, I'll measure like up to 5 centimeters. Okay, so this is okay. You have to be mindful how to turn it around so that you don't cut the cables inside. I think it's okay. And I'll pull it out like this. Have to make sure you don't cut the cable. I've cut this one slightly. Then you do same to the other end as well. So that's how it goes. Okay, then now split the cable like this, split it like this, so you see, then you cut this out. So you must make sure you cut it off well. So let's see. So I'll use this part of the clipper to cut it off. Okay. Okay. I'm all set, but a little bit small. Okay. Must make sure you don't cut the cable. Okay, then turn to the other side as well. As usual, you have to peel it off like you're peeling maize. Yeah. Then use the clipper to the edge here. Cut this off as well. Okay. That is it. Then with this, you have to use one of these coats to open up this thing. Okay. Do it this way. Okay. Do same for the other end as well. Let's go. Let's go on. Okay, that one is done. Do for here too. Okay, so this. Okay, now the next step is to follow a color coding standard, and I'm going to follow the T56. That's it here in my book. The T56 color code, T568B color coding standard. So with the cables, they have different colors. This is it. So I will start with white orange. So I have to locate white orange. white orange. Okay, white orange first. After white orange, then I'll pick white. So white orange white. So white orange white. You must make sure you straighten up the cable like this. This white orange white orange white like this. Okay, no, it's rather white orange orange, my bad. Okay, so let's go. White orange orange, then white green. After the white orange, after the white orange orange, then the white green blue. So white green blue. So this is it. I treat them well, so make sure they are in line like this. Like this. Must bend the cable so that it will become flexible. So check, cross check your color. Check is white orange orange, white green blue. Now let's add our white blue. Okay, white blue green. So this is it, our white blue green. Then twist it again, do it like this, straighten it so that it becomes flexible. So that is it. Let's cross check. White orange orange, white green blue, white blue green, white brown, white brown brown. Okay, white brown brown. Okay, now we have to straighten the edge of the cable well, so that it can fit into our RJ45 connector. Okay, so here is it. You must be sure of everything before I cut it, so that the cable will work. After that, I'll go in for, it's actually a school project, so that's why my gadgets are not set. So I'll go in for the tester to test it. So we cross check again. White orange orange, white green blue, white blue green, white brown brown. Okay, so I use this side to make sure it is straightened. Let me put them together well before do it. Okay, okay. Future network engineers, wow. So you make sure you turn the cable like this, the connector like this, and send your hand back a bit, make sure they are together. Then you put it in, make sure they go in. Each one must go into one hole. Must make sure they go in. Cross check if there is a mistake. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so that is it. It has gone in. Let's make sure every Y enters a cable. Sorry, enters a terminal line. Okay, right. So now I have to put it inside the clipper. Okay, so I must put it through this part like this. Okay, so with this, then I'll press here. I must hear a sound cri. Wow, that's great. So it's done. When you try removing it, it won't remove. That's it. So I'm going to do the same thing here. Bring the blue. And then white, blue. White, blue, green. White, blue, green. White, blue, green. And white, brown, brown. White, brown, brown. So you have to make it flexible. Okay, so now let's cross check quickly. So the first one is white, orange, orange, and you have white, blue, green, and white, brown, brown. White, brown, brown. So you have to make it flexible. Okay, so now let's cross check quickly. So the first one is white, orange, orange, and you have white, green, blue. We have white, blue, green, and you have white, brown, brown. Okay, bingo. So we have to make it flexible. Make it flexible right here like this. Then straighten up the edge as usual. Straighten up the edge. Then cut it here. So let's use the cutter. 2, 4, 6, 8. So cutter right here. So I'll cut it right here like this. Okay. So after that, I'll put in the second RJ45 connector. So I have to send my back a bit, my hand back a bit, so that I can enter. So this is it. Okay, make sure it's compact. Sure it's together. It's together. Each enters one. Okay. Must make sure no wire enters 2 holes. So you must cross check well before you do that. So you must cross check here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so let's clip it. Put it inside like this. Yes, you have heard the sound. So now when you try pulling it up, it's fixed and you can pull it out. Now it's time for us to test it. So you have to plug one end of the cable to this side of the tester. So this is it. I also put one end to this, and it must read from 1 to here, so to 1 to 8 in an orderly manner. So if any of these changes or like it jumps one, then it meaning there is an error in it. So let's switch it on. Okay, 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 okay. So it works. That's perfect. Great work. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This channel is called Take the Move. Bye bye.